So this has got to be probably one of the best safety accessories I've ever bought for my bike. It's a bar end mirror. It's model BM45, made by CatEye. Amazon seems to be the cheapest place to buy it. I'll put a link in the description. It's really compact and really well made, and it doesn't move about like other mirrors do. It does actually stay in position as long as you don't knock it with your leg. Really easy to install, just one Allen key. It does actually come with an Allen key for you to do this, but yeah, one Allen key. Take your bar plug out and then just insert this, tighten it up, and away you go. Simple. I've got a ripped muscle in my neck, so it's literally a pain in the neck to keep looking over my shoulder. But once set up and you've got this position correctly and you get used to it, you very rarely have to look over your shoulder. The best time to view the rear view mirror is when your leg is in the up position. Then you can pretty much see the whole road behind you. But it really doesn't take too long to get used to it. And I'm really glad that I got this. I'm going to pretty much be adding one of these to all my bikes. It's a real pain when you're so used to it. So yeah, once you've got one of these, you'll never go back, I'll tell you. It's probably one of the best accessories I think I've ever brought. So the links are in the description below. Please like the video, please comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks very much. I'll see you next time. Bye.